Hey there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here with us today at Own Your Beauty. This little corner of the world is all about finding the beauty in what's real. It's about celebrating the story that makes you, well, you. We often talk about renovating homes, finding the charm in old wood and worn-out floors. But what about ourselves? Sometimes the simplest changes can bring out the most wonderful results. We just have to know where to look. We're not trying to erase our history. Instead, we're finding ways to let our best selves shine through, naturally and with a whole lot of grace. Life gets busy, doesn't it? Between family, work, and just trying to catch your breath, it's easy to put yourself last. You might look in the mirror one morning and see a few silver strands peeking through, maybe more than a few. And you might think, where did the time go? It's a completely normal feeling. We all want to feel vibrant and full of life. It's not about turning back the clock to a time that has passed. It's about feeling confident and radiant right here, right now, in this beautiful season of your life. Our hair is like a living journal of our lives. Each strand holds memories, sun-drenched summers, stressful deadlines, moments of pure joy. So when we start to see those first few threads of silver, it can feel like a new chapter is beginning. For many of us, that chapter can feel a little daunting. We live in a world that often celebrates youth above all else. It's easy to feel the pressure to look a certain way to cover up the signs of aging as soon as they appear. It's a desire to feel as young and energetic on the outside as we often feel on the inside. This isn't about vanity, it's about alignment. It's wanting the person you see in the mirror to match the spirit you carry within your heart. When you're juggling a million things, feeling confident in your appearance can be that little boost you need to take on the day. Let's head into the kitchen, a place where so much goodness begins. You might be surprised to learn that some of your favorite morning rituals can also help your hair. Brown hair, black hair, coffee, black tea. These aren't just for sipping. They can create a beautiful, temporary stain that darkens gray strands and makes them blend right in. Brew a very strong pot of coffee. Steep a few bags of strong black tea. Let it cool completely. After you shampoo, pour the cooled liquid through your hair, saturating it well. Let it sit about 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Use a spray bottle to apply for less mess. Not permanent, great quick solution before a special event or a weekly pick-me-up. Lighter hair options. Chamomile tea lemon make grays look sun-kissed. Sage in your pantry. Used for centuries to gradually darken gray hair. Sometimes the quickest way to hide grays has nothing to do with color at all. Honestly, it's all about clever styling. The way you part your hair can make a world of difference. Many of us have a favorite part that we've stuck with for years. But if your grays are concentrated in that one area, it's time for a change. Try flipping your part to the other side. A deep side part can be incredibly chic and effective. It lifts the hair at the root, creating volume that can cleverly conceal a patch of silver. Or try a zigzag part. It breaks up the solid line and makes any regrowth much less obvious. Volume is another secret weapon. Flat hair tends to show everything, including every single gray strand. By adding a little bit of lift and texture, you create dimension and movement. You don't need a lot of products either. Accessories are your friend. Don't underestimate the power of a beautiful headband, a silk scarf, or a few strategically placed clips. Finally, think about embracing braids and updos. At the end of the day, this journey is all about one thing: loving the person you are. It's about embracing your own unique story with all of its beautiful chapters. Those silver strands are not something to be ashamed of. They are markers of a life fully lived. They represent wisdom, experience, resilience. They are a part of the beautiful tapestry that makes you who you are. Whether you choose to cover them with a coffee rinse or wear them proudly is completely up to you. The most important thing is that you feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Here at Own Your Beauty, we believe that true beauty isn't about looking perfect. It's not about chasing an impossible standard of youth. It is found in authenticity. It's in the laughter lines around your eyes and the strength in your hands. It's in the kindness you show to others and the grace you give yourself. Thank you for spending this time with me here at Own Your Beauty. Go out there and let your beautiful, authentic self shine, because you are truly lovely just as you are.